In April 2021, the Dutch Ministry of Infrastructure and Water Management and Aquatic Drones demonstrated an autonomous maritime survey in the harbour of Heusden, the Netherlands. Survey missions are set in the control software, where the mission and systems are monitored by several sensors. The demonstration is part of Self-Supporting River System, a collaboration program of companies, government and research institutes focused on sustainable innovation in river systems. During the survey, the control software detects and avoids other boats and objects using several sensors. Surveys of ports, riverbeds, dams and quays are now being executed. The production has started, following a successful collaboration in 2016. This is part of the Netherlands Forum for Smart Shipping, which brings the Dutch maritime sector together to implement smart shipping.